Oh, hi there. Didn't see you guys there. Welcome to today's episode. Obviously we're in a little bit of a different location, but that's okay. I wanted to recap what we did with the car today and also with what we did last time. As you guys saw in last episode, we had cleaned up a lot of the car and really tried to get a lot of the literal crap off of the car. Today's episode is going to be kind of similar. We're still going to be doing that a little bit. However, I did focus on starting to actually strip a lot of the car down. Now, for what we're going to be using the car for, I need to get the car all the way to a bare chassis. So that's really the next thing that we're going to be picking up from, is that on the last episode, we were cleaning a lot of the car. Now, on this episode, we're going to be stripping it down and trying to get it down to a bare chassis. And next episode, I promise, I'm going to take some time. I'm going to explain exactly what this build is, what it's going to entail, and how we're going to do it. If you guys haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below the video, leave a like on this video, and also leave a comment. Tell me what you guys think about this build so far. I know it might be a little boring right now, but it's about to get very interesting very quickly. Make sure to stay tuned. Let's get to it.
to get as much as the chassis skinned as possible, meaning like basically all the stuff from like here, actually like really right here, this is the dividing line, down will be gone. So like all of this will get gutted out and cut out, and I'll literally just have this skin left to put the fenders on.
Okay.
So, you know, that'll give me that'll give me my skeleton to put the square tube chassis in.
Yeah.
Is the idea.
So are you just, today then you're just trying to get all of this stuff out?
Yep. All this, and I might even start cutting like this off.
Yeah.
Getting this out of the way.
Yeah, because that you could do.
And then I might try to get the engine bay mostly cut out. I don't know how far back I'm gonna get, but I'm gonna mostly try to just work from front to back, I guess.
Okay.
And try to just get it all skinned. Because like I'm even gonna go through and like I'm gonna leave the door hinges in for now.
Yeah.
But like I'm gonna gut the whole door and everything. Like all this is gonna get taken out, this interior part. It's just gonna be the outer skin basically. And like I'm gonna keep the rocker panels here, but I'm gonna gut everything else inside out. So like all this will get taken out. I'll probably only leave this top part here.
Okay.
Because I think what I'm gonna try to do is I'm gonna try to reuse some parts of the S2000 like for mounting locations. Because like for the doors, I can reuse these hinges. They're not super heavy and they work. And like I can reuse the door latch like because it's there and it already works. I don't have to re-engineer that at all.
Yeah.
So I just need to find another door still. But yeah, I'm gonna gut all this out, get it completely taken out. Like I said, I don't know if I'll get to this today, but my goal is to kind of get that mostly gutted. Because the idea is that like even the windshield will be just kind of floating there. Like there will be nothing inside under here.
Oh,
It'll just be like kind of a flat platform more or less. So here's the quick update. Here you'll see we've got the radiator, AC condenser, all that's been taken out. I've also got a lot of the fuse box taken out that was over here, all that wiring that ran there, up through here, back into the car, that's all gone. Master cylinder for the brake system itself is out. I'm working on getting the brake booster out. I'm gonna get the pedals out as well. Steering column as well is gone. A lot of the wiring, some other random little bits, pieces, bunch of little brackets, those are all completely gone. We'll move over to the inside here where we've got some awesome updates as well. Still working on getting a lot of the wiring and stuff out, but as you can see, that main center bar is out. That's the last thing we just got done. So we've got that center bar finally completely removed. That'll make getting the rest of this out a breeze, honestly. We pretty much just got to pull all this out of here, clean the rest of this up. Chassis is pretty much almost stripped. Just got to finish following of the rest of this wiring all the way through to here, getting it all out from the back, and then we are going to end up cutting this whole area out to get rid of all that just nastiness. So let's go ahead and get back to work and get this done.
Alright guys, so we definitely have gotten a lot of work done over the past 2 episodes on this car. I am very happy with how far we've came. We essentially started out with a car that was literally pulled out of the fields and had the nest of rodents and really who knows what else inside of that car. Ultimately, all of that is gone. We've stripped out everything from the wiring and everything in the engine bay, along with taking off both the fenders. And we really don't have much left in the chassis. It really is mostly stripped down. However, we do still have the one area that needs to be cut out in the trunk. I'm pretty sure the remnants of the Loch Ness Monster still resides in there. We do still need to go back and pull off things like the control arms, shocks, wheel hub assemblies that are still left on the car. I do want to get those fully taken off. And then the fun really begins. Next episode, we're going to start cutting away, especially at the bent frame rails at the front, but we're going to start working our way towards the back. As you guys heard me explain in one portion of this video, we're going to essentially be making a skeleton out of this car, and this is definitely going to be something you guys haven't seen before. Next episode isn't directly going to be that just yet. I am going to describe a little bit more of what this build actually is, how we're going to be doing it, and what all is entailed in that. So if you guys really did enjoy this episode, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think about the video down in the comments, and I'll make sure to see you guys next time.